Some motorcycles are built to excite. Some are built to impress. And then, occasionally, a motorcycle appears that is built simply to work. The Honda NC750X belongs firmly in that category. At first glance, it may not seem extraordinary. Its horsepower numbers are modest. Its styling is practical rather than aggressive. It doesn't chase lap times or boast superbike pedigree. But the longer you look at it, and the more you understand the engineering philosophy behind it, the clearer it becomes. The NC750X might be one of the most intelligently designed motorcycles on the road, because every part of it answers a very specific question. Not how fast can we make it, but rather, how useful can a motorcycle be? Most motorcycles are designed with performance as the starting point. An engine is developed. Power figures are targeted. A chassis is built to support speed and aggression. Practicality comes later, if it comes at all. The NC750X was engineered from a very different perspective. Honda began with how people actually use motorcycles. Daily commuting, urban traffic, long highway miles, weekend trips, errands around town. These real-world riding situations shaped every major design decision. And when you approach motorcycle engineering this way, the results become surprisingly logical. At the heart of the NC750X sits the 745 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. But unlike most engines in this category, it doesn't chase high RPM power. Instead, it is tuned to deliver strong torque at low engine speeds. Peak torque arrives around 4,750 revolutions per minute, far lower than many middleweight motorcycles. This changes the entire riding experience. Instead of constantly revving the engine to find power, the NC750X pulls smoothly from low speeds. You roll on the throttle, and the bike moves forward with calm authority. There is no frantic rush toward redline, just a steady wave of usable torque. This character makes the motorcycle feel relaxed, predictable, and incredibly easy to ride in everyday situations. City traffic becomes smoother. Highway cruising becomes effortless. And the engine itself feels less stressed because it rarely needs to operate at extreme speeds. That low-revving engine design also brings another advantage: efficiency. The NC750X is famous for achieving fuel consumption figures that seem almost unrealistic for a 750 cubic centimeters motorcycle. Many riders report around 65 to 80 miles per gallon depending on riding conditions. For a machine capable of highway touring, those numbers are remarkable. Combined with its 14.1-liter fuel tank, the NC750X can comfortably travel over 250 miles between fuel stops. For commuters, that means fewer visits to the gas station. For travelers, it means longer uninterrupted journeys. And for riders watching their expenses, it quietly becomes one of the most economical motorcycles in its class. But perhaps the most famous feature of the NC750X isn't the engine. It's the space where the fuel tank would normally be. Honda engineers realized that motorcycles rarely offer convenient built-in storage. Most riders rely on backpacks, panniers, or top boxes. But what if the motorcycle itself could solve that problem? So Honda relocated the fuel tank under the seat. This freed up the traditional tank area to become something entirely different. A 23-liter storage compartment, large enough to hold a full-face helmet. This compartment, often nicknamed the frunk, transforms how the motorcycle fits into everyday life. Groceries can be stored easily. A laptop bag disappears neatly inside. Rain gear, gloves, or personal items stay protected without additional luggage. For riders who commute daily, this single design choice changes everything. Suddenly, the motorcycle becomes far more self-sufficient. Moving the fuel tank under the seat did something else as well. It improved the bike's center of gravity. Fuel is heavy, and placing that mass lower in the chassis helps stabilize the motorcycle. The result is a bike that feels surprisingly manageable at low speeds. Even though the NC750X is not particularly light on paper, its low weight distribution makes it feel easier to control. Parking maneuvers become simpler. U-turns feel less intimidating. And slow urban riding becomes calm rather than stressful. For new riders, this inspires confidence. For experienced riders, it simply makes everyday riding more comfortable. Another innovation that sets the NC750X apart is Honda's dual clutch transmission, or DCT. Unlike traditional automatic transmissions, DCT uses two clutches and computer-controlled gear changes. This allows the motorcycle to shift gears automatically without interrupting power delivery. In practical terms, the system offers two different riding experiences. You can allow the motorcycle to shift automatically, making traffic riding incredibly easy. Or you can change gears manually using buttons on the handlebars. There is no clutch lever to manage. No repeated squeezing in stop-and-go traffic. Just smooth acceleration and effortless shifting. For daily commuters, this system dramatically reduces fatigue. And for riders who prefer a traditional experience, Honda still offers a standard manual gearbox version. The key is choice. The NC750X also focuses heavily on rider comfort. Its upright riding position keeps the rider relaxed. The handlebars are wide enough for natural control. Foot pegs are positioned to avoid excessive knee bend. And the seat height remains accessible for a wide range of riders. All of this contributes to a riding posture that feels natural over long distances. Wind protection from the front fairing and windscreen helps reduce fatigue at highway speeds. And the suspension setup prioritizes comfort and stability rather than aggressive sport performance. The result is a motorcycle that feels equally at home commuting through city streets or covering hundreds of miles on a weekend trip. Visually, the NC750X borrows inspiration from adventure motorcycles. It has the tall stance, protective bodywork, and commanding riding position associated with that category. But mechanically, it remains simpler and more road-focused. Its 17-inch wheels keep handling predictable on paved roads. Suspension travel is moderate, designed more for rough city streets than extreme off-road riding. In essence, the NC750X captures the spirit of adventure bikes without their bulk or complexity. It offers versatility without unnecessary complication. Modern versions of the NC750X also include a thoughtful range of electronic features. Honda's selectable torque control helps maintain traction on slippery surfaces. Ride-by-wire throttle enables multiple riding modes. And the 5-inch TFT display provides clear information and smartphone connectivity. None of these features feel overwhelming. They simply support the rider without distracting from the core experience. When you examine the NC750X closely, a pattern emerges. Every design choice points toward practical intelligence. The engine prioritizes usable torque, the fuel system improves balance, the storage compartment solves a daily inconvenience, the transmission reduces rider workload, the ergonomics focus on comfort. Individually, each idea seems simple. Together, they form a motorcycle that quietly excels in the real world. Why the Honda NC750X makes so much sense? Because it understands something many motorcycles forget. Riding isn't always about chasing adrenaline. Often, it's about getting somewhere. Going to work, running errands, exploring new roads, traveling long distances. And when a motorcycle is designed around those realities, it becomes more than just a machine for excitement. It becomes a tool for life on two wheels. That is the philosophy behind the Honda NC750X. Not louder, not faster, not more extreme. Just smarter, and sometimes. The most impressive engineering isn't the kind that tries to stand out. It's the kind that quietly makes everything work better.